In this video, we will go over the NanoGenerator Max. Used for GMP production of LNPs, it allows an easy and seamless transition of early-stage results to commercial applications. The Max uses an external pressure source for microfluidic mixing. Users may pair it with our add-on pump or their own gas tank. For fluid reservoirs, the Max can accommodate one collection bag in 4 sample bottles: waste, water, solvent, and inline dilution. The water and solvent bottles send fluid to the mixing chip, after which it may optionally be combined with inline dilution. These 3 reservoirs pass fluid through non-contact flow sensors for accurate monitoring, while the mixing chip architecture ensures consistent and scalable results from our early-stage instruments. Several solenoid valves offer reliable and controlled direction of fluid flow. These also serve as easy attachment points for fully disposable tubing kits. All these features make for a convenient assembly process, perfect for workflows requiring frequent changeover between formulations. The Max's software is highly intuitive and 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. It allows tuning of recipe parameters, real-time flow rate monitoring, and review of past experimental data. Self-diagnostic and safety systems are also present, allowing safe and controlled operation for the large-scale manufacturing environment. Combined with the Max's robust hardware, these features empower users to produce consistent, scalable, and repeatable results. If further technical support or consultation is needed, customers may always contact us at www.precigenome.com